Muy bien. So now we're going to go to Unit 6, Unidad 6 de nuestro libro. Y vamos a la página 43. Página 43. Here we are going to talk about my daily routine. Mi rutina diaria. So my daily routine. Let me just make it a little bit bigger. And we are going to read my daily routine. So there we go. Mi rutina diaria. I wrote this routine about me, but later on you're gonna do it for yourself. Okay, guys? Muy bien. ¿Preparados? Vamos allá. Hola. Me llamo Leo. Soy de la República Dominicana, pero vivo en Londres. Normalmente me despierto a las 8 de la mañana, pero me levanto a las 8:15. Después me ducho, me lavo los dientes y me peino. A las 8:45 me tomo un café mientras veo las noticias. Empiezo a trabajar a las 10 de la mañana. Normalmente trabajo de 10 a 2 y de 5 a 8:30 en una escuela de español como profesor. Finalmente, me acuesto a las 11 de la noche. Perfecto, chicos. Very good reading. Very good reading. Now, can you read it for me aloud, please? So pause the video, read the text aloud. And if you don't remember the pronunciation of any words, go back to the video, repeat it. That's the way we learn, guys, to pronounce correctly. Para pronunciar correctamente. Muy bien. As you can see, I wrote here for you the most important verb in bold so that you can notice when I'm using here the reflexive verbs, okay? Let's go over the text for the meaning now. So we have, hola, me llamo Leo. You know that. I don't have to translate that. Easy peasy. Soy de la República Dominicana, pero vivo en Londres. So I'm from Dominican Republic, but I live in London. Normalmente me despierto a las 8 de la mañana, pero me levanto a las 8:15. So normally I wake up at 8 o'clock, but I get up at 8:15. 15 minutes to wake up. Después me ducho, me lavo los dientes y me peino. Then, or after that, I shower, I have a shower, I wash my teeth, I brush my teeth, and I comb my hair. A las 8:45 me tomo un café mientras veo las noticias. So at 8:45, I have a coffee while, mientras means while, mientras veo las noticias. So while I watch the news. Noticias is news. Empiezo a trabajar a las 10 de la mañana. Normalmente trabajo de 10 a 2 y de 5 a 8:30. So I start working at 10 o'clock in the morning. Normally I work from 10 to 2 and from 5 to 8:30. En una escuela de español como profesor. in Spanish school as a teacher. Finalmente, me acuesto a las 11 de la noche. So, finally, I go to bed at 11 o'clock in the evening or in the night. Muy bien, chicos. Perfecto. Buen trabajo. Good job. So now we know the meaning of my daily routine, mi rutina diaria. Now, let's go back to... So here you have a photo of myself, like when I get up, having my coffee. Aquí, you know, in the Mac, there's a message for you guys. Empieza el día con alegría. So start the day with happiness. We need to be happy, guys. Be happy. It doesn't matter what's going on. Be happy. Alegría. Happiness. This is my favorite word in Spanish. Alegría. Happiness. Okay, chicos. Muy bien. So now, you need to write your own daily routine. Let's do exercise number 1. Ejercicio número 1. Describe tu rutina diaria. Incluye todos los detalles posibles. So describe your daily routine. Include all the possible details. You can use mine as a model. This one here with all these reflexive verbs, and then write your own daily routine here. If there is something that you don't know, you can go to internet, to Google, ChatGPT, whatever you want, and find the word, the new word. Okay, that's how we learn, you know. Searching is really good. You include new vocabulary to yours. So, homework. Write your daily routine, or if you want to do it right now, pause the video, do it, and then come back later on, because I have now questions for you. I have here a couple of questions about your daily routine. So you have these two friends, they're having a coffee and they are talking about their daily routine. So one of them is asking these questions to the other, but I'm gonna ask all those questions to you now. Are you ready? ¿Estás listo? ¿Sí? Muy bien. So, question number 1. Pregunta número 1. ¿A qué hora te despiertas? ¿A qué hora te despiertas? Do you know the meaning? What time do you wake up? And then to reply, give me a full answer here. You say, me despierto. You know this verb, we conjugated before. Me despierto a las 8 de la mañana, for example. So I wake up at 8 o'clock in the morning. Give me full answer. ¿A qué hora te levantas? What time do you get up? ¿A qué hora te duchas? What time do you have your shower? ¿A qué hora empiezas a trabajar o estudiar? So, what time do you start working or studying? ¿A qué hora terminas de trabajar o estudiar? So, what time do you finish working or studying? ¿A qué hora te acuestas? What time do you go to bed? So, you reply them, ¿no? Me acuesto a las tal. Muy bien, chicos. Perfecto. Good job. Buen trabajo. So, we finished now with our daily routine. In the next video, we will be doing the preposition of place. Okay? Vamos a usar palabras para hablar dónde están las cosas. So to talk about where things are, to locate things in the space. Where, like, for example, behind, next to, under, over, to the right, to the left, all that. Perfecto, chicas. So don't go too far. See you in the next video. Nos vemos en el próximo video. Hasta luego.